Nuclear secrets. Some decades ago, I had the pleasure, was invited to work as a senior chemical engineer on a project in South Carolina, DOD project called the Savannah River Site DWPF, Defense Waste Processing Facility. Hundreds of millions of dollar program that I worked on for about 6 months, of which half of that was training on some very specific types of high availability systems. This is the land of rocket science. So you come into work one morning and you learn that Congress has defunded the program. Hundreds of millions of dollars already spent. It was what's called a design and build contract, meaning that the two efforts were done concurrently because the initial designs were, quote, solid enough. This is a black box facility processing nuclear waste in a thing called glass vitrification. It was changed in the 6 months I worked on the project. So I've spoken about it because I understand every bit has been spoken about elsewhere. You can find the information and the details as a matter of public records now. But I also knew with that contract, I had corporate and federal obligations about what and how we worked on and how it worked. This is corporate intelligence, corporate knowledge with patents that are behind secrecy walls. Corporate secrets. These are how we do things and why one company may do it better than another. So it's just how it works. So this multi-million-dollar program that got canceled was just an interesting part of a career. But some decades later, I found articles where the plant had run and processed materials, and it had finished processing materials. So somehow, this multi-hundred-million-dollar adventure buried in the swamps between, well, it's on the Savannah River, the site is, in South Carolina. On the other side is the heavy industry that does this work. So these things expire, these rules you know about and understand and try to adhere to them. And you lose sight or track of what's going on because you've moved into another totally different industry. So to not respect those rules is wrong. How else do you say it? Pieces out. Don't know the point of this one.